Great and durable. If you don't feel safe soldering up your own, these are really well made and the wire is plenty thick enough for short runs. Best cable for its price. Works great and have never had an issue with this brand. I did not need 10, but that was the fastest it will get to me at that length. Pig Hog seems to make good quality cables. I'd for sure buy again from that company. No regrets. I also love the plastic heat wrap support at the end of cables also. Real tough. You won't have to worry. These things are like a garden hose. They are built like a truck and are solid throughout. Definitely happy with them. I bought this to connect my boogie amp to my 2x12 Mesa cab. Solid construction, flexible, just the right length at 3 feet. No issues with plug being loose in jacks, or with sound quality. Reasonably priced for this quality. I am a musician with a lot of live entertainment dates and these cables rock. Very well made, heavy wire. I use my bass head cabinet. No complaints. I use Pig Hog mic cables too, very well made. Using these to run from my PA amp to the 2 external speakers. Much better quality cables than I used previously. I'm a fan of Pig Hog cables. Product is as described, great sound and quality speaker cable, highly recommend this item. Click link in description for more reviews.